Hi, superstars. It is time for social studies. We are on Unit 1, Lesson 5. Open up your social study workbooks to page 14. We are going to be learning about words that tell us about the time of day it is. So the morning is the beginning of the day. Next is the afternoon. That's just after we eat lunch. And evening is around dinner time and bedtime. All right, let's read this together. Let me get my little pointer so that you can follow along with me. And I want you to follow along and try to read, but I'm going to do the reading. Just follow along with me. From morning to afternoon, Adam's day is very busy. Every evening, Adam watches a TV show or a show on the TV, sorry. Then Adam reads a story before bed. What a great way to end the day. What does Adam do in the evening? Remember? Let's look over here. The evening is when someone has dinner or when it's bedtime. That's the evening. So let's see. Every evening, Adam watches a show on the TV. So what does Adam do in the evening? He watches a show on the TV. What do you do in the evening? Do you watch TV? Maybe you play with your siblings. What makes Adam's day busy? All right, let's read it again. From morning to afternoon, Adam's day is very busy. So let's see, we're asking the question, what makes Adam's day busy? Well, we're going to talk about what Adam's day is like. Every morning, Adam watches a show on the TV. Then Adam reads a story before bed. What a great way to end the day. So down here, what I want you to do is draw a picture of something that you do in the evening. So remember, the evening is when you're eating dinner and going to bed, so it's around that time. So I want you to draw a picture of something you do in the evening. And make sure you write your name on the top of the paper, okay? Let's turn to page 15. If you're not finished drawing your picture, you can pause the video or you can come back to that. Okay, we're on page 15. Let's read and make sure, again, you write your name the best you can on the top of the page. Things we do change throughout the day. We do different things in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Look at the pictures below. Decide if the pictures are happening in the morning, afternoon, or evening. How do you know which picture shows the morning? Look at each picture and look at what they're doing. That's going to give you a clue whether it's the morning, afternoon, or evening. So how do you know which picture shows morning? How do you know? Does this look like it's morning? This little girl's in bed. And her parents are sitting next to her. And what are they doing in this picture? It looks like they're eating something. Could that be breakfast? How about this one? The kids are running in the park, it looks like. So which one do you think shows morning? Do this, because what you're going to do is you're going to draw a line. This says morning. Afternoon, remember, afternoon is when you eat lunch. It's around that time of the day. And then evening. And evening is the time of day you eat dinner. And it becomes bedtime. Morning is when we wake up and we eat breakfast. So look at the three pictures and I want you to draw a line. If you think this one is morning, you would do that. If you think it's afternoon, you would draw it to here. And if you think it is evening, you would draw a line to this dot for evening. I'm going to give you a minute to do that, and then we'll go over it together. Look at the pictures for clues. Okay, have you figured it out? All right, over here, it looks like mom and dad are putting their child to bed. So when do you go to bed? Do you go to bed in the morning, or in the afternoon, or in the evening? Yes, in the evening. So if you didn't do it already, you're going to draw a line all the way to evening. All right, let's look at this picture. It looks like they're eating breakfast. When do you eat breakfast? Do you eat breakfast in the evening? No. How about the afternoon? No, you eat lunch in the afternoon. So breakfast is in the morning. So you're going to draw a line to morning. Okay. Let's look over here. The kids are playing in the park. It looks like it's sunny outside. It looks, you see the shadows. So they're playing in the park and it's sunny. Well, we know it's not morning. We know it's not evening. And you're usually out to school during this time. Now you're at home, but this would be afternoon. So you would draw a line all the way to afternoon. Good job. So things change. The day changes from morning to afternoon to evening. So these are different times during the day. So you change as you grow, and as time passes, you get bigger. So as time passes by, you change also. And the things that you do changes also. So change happens to everybody, and change happens throughout the day. That's my kitty cat if you hear her meowing, or him. So changes happen throughout the day, and changes happen throughout your life as you get older. And also the things you do as you get older change. All right? Good job, superstars. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.